Good morning! We will have our morning run walk here in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. Grabe, no? So, halos walang tulog, but yeah, whew, that's nice.
Yeah, the goal of A-Runners is to run anytime, anywhere.
Hello, A-Runners International. So, sila din papunta sa Merdeka Run. Actually, nag-start na. But, yeah, given. Ano oras na tayo nakatulog kagabi from the New Year's event. So, anyway, we'll keep you posted, guys. Happy New Year! Alright, we're up and running, guys. Yung Merdeka sa likod. Alright, about to finish. Ganda, guys. Happy New Year!